It's hot, giving me a high temp alarm. Compressor is just running, but I just shut her off. Just so I could pull it out and see what's going on. My fans were running, so it's not gonna be that. There's gonna be something going on with this compressor. Probably got a leak somewhere. Let's see what's going on with it. I just couldn't find that leak inside of the store. Everybody running in and out and around me, it just wasn't possible. It wasn't happening. Leak detector wasn't picking up anything. It's just impossible to work inside of this store like that with people all around me. So I just decided to cut everything out, unsweat the coil, cut out the compressor, came out here, capped everything off, pumped it up individually. And you'll see what holes and what doesn't. Sprayed it all down. This ain't leaking, so it's most likely in the line set. I'm gonna go in there and pump that line set up and see what happens. This silly little stupid reach-in freezer, a MasterBilt's been an issue for the company for a while apparently. Everybody keeps saying they find leaks, fix it, come back, there's another leak, they say they fix it, yada yada yada, you know how it goes. So this time I came and I didn't mess around. I took the compressor out, took the condenser section out, took it outside. Took the evaporator out, took it outside. Pinched off the line set, pressurized the line set individually. Line set held with no issues. The condenser dropped slightly, the evaporator dropped slightly. I couldn't find any leaks jumping out at me. I used the trace gas or nitrogen with a leak detector, picked up nothing. I found little and I sprayed it down, pumped it up as high as I could, sprayed it down. Found little minute bubble leaks in a couple of different spots. I hit those up. I brazed over a couple sections that looked iffy and it seems to be holding. I have a feeling what's happening is it's a leak that only pops up when it's running. So now my only choice is to put it all back together, let it run, spray stuff down again, and see what's going on. Other than that, man, I'm going to recommend we replace the evaporator and the condenser section because I know for a fact the line set held. And that's what we got so far, guys.